changes in terms of governments mean for OpenAI and the model going forward?
Yeah, I think we're still waiting to hear the answers to those questions. I think, this is only really a first step. So the old board's out. There's a completely new board. Sam Altman's back as CEO, but won't be a board member, at least for now. I think a lot of the press outlets are suggesting that this three-person board will basically now look to vet candidates to expand it maybe up to 9. So there's an interest they have at heart.
So, Matt, I guess the question is, are there going to be warring factions inside? So is it going to need and take some time for things to stabilize? And how significant is for Microsoft and its AI strategy?
Yeah, I mean, I think the composition of the board and what's gone on in the last few days suggests that actually the kind of direction of travel is now much more aligned. I think this is a board that's supportive of Sam Altman. Microsoft's clearly supportive of him too. So I think there's kind of less concern there. I think for Microsoft, this is a good outcome. I mean, I think they've positioned themselves incredibly well and done a great job of being very pragmatic about what's going on. So I think they've got a huge investment in this business, and it's kind of integral to all of their AI products they're rolling out. So I think the fact that they've got Sam Altman back in place is clearly a very strong relationship between Microsoft and Sam Altman. If they get a board seat as well and influence over this important company.